Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a real early down here in our little honey hole and waiting to catch some of these crappies. It was drizzling early this morning, then it stopped. So we're just trying to see what we can catch. Got some, y'all. I got something, y'all. I think I got a crappie on my line. Let's see. Let's see what we got over here. Got a crappie, y'all. Got that crappie, baby. Got that crappie, y'all. Got them out there, Moglo. Them crappie nibbles. There's that crappie, y'all.
We getting them in before they rain.
There you go. Let's put them in the bucket. There you go, y'all. Got them crop whoppers in there. A little crappie action. Little crappie action. Throw that rod back out there. They must be hungry this morning. They hungry, yeah. I just put some crappie nibbles up on there. Yeah, they said the bad weather, so we coming through this morning. It was drizzling earlier, then it stopped. Out here trying to catch these slabs, y'all. Yeah, a lot of you guys are y'all prepared for the winter weather that's supposed to be coming in. That's just like we're supposed to be getting the winter weather this weekend. Let's really need to throw this back out here, y'all. Starting to drizzle a little bit, y'all. him, yeah. I got him. Get in there. Get in there. Got him, yeah. Got him. What is this, a bass or is it a crappie? It's a crappie. It's a crappie, y'all. Thought it was a bass, but it's a crappie. There you go, y'all. There you go. Fish mosquito down there, y'all. It's raining. We out here fishing in the rain, y'all. Look like they saw the body turn up now. Look like they saw that turn up, y'all. I got the little orange fork out there, y'all. Share my comments, my videos and stuff. Let's go back out there, y'all. I think we just been getting some little showers that's been coming through. Dog. Yeah. I was laughing at you. That's how mine was at first. Out here in the rain, y'all, trying to get these crop whoppers. Crop whoppers. Do what they got done, y'all. out here popping these fork, yeah. Come on, crop whoppers.
Fishing with Keisha got one, y'all. She got one. Look at her, got that crappie. She got that crappie. Look at that slab coming about there. Fishing with Keidra. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel. Fishing with Keidra. Look at that. Big crappie. We getting them in before that rain and snow come. Y'all stay tuned.
Fish with Tito got fish, y'all. Fish with Tito got slab, y'all. See, fish with Tito got. Fish with Tito got that crappie over there, y'all. Look at that crappie, y'all. Got that crappie.
Oh! Got up.
I see you got out. In the bite. Yeah, because they go way, way out there. They go real far. Throw it back out there, you guys. The rain done stop. The water's so calm. You see all them logs out there. Fishing with Tito throwing that thing way out there. I was gonna bite it at first, but I don't know. Pop real quick, y'all.
Maybe they should turn back on. We'll see.
They should turn back on.
After this rain, they turn back on. Hopefully they come alive and stay alive. Hey, you think you better than me, don't you, in fishing?
Yes.
And I think I'm better than you in fishing,
I
right?
am better than you.
All right. I think I'm better than you in fishing.
I am.
Yeah.
You know I be catching all them slabs. Don't you be catching all them slabs?
Yeah, I be catching them slabs.
All
Big
right.
slabs.
We be catching them slabs
We
then.
fishing like we fishing in a tournament. Every time I go fishing, I'm fishing like I'm in a tournament. Because I'm trying to catch them big boy crappies, shell crackers, bluegill, whatever.
We in competition.
Yeah.
Then come on, Crappie. Cause I'm about to set Fishing with Tito up. Come on, Crappie. Crappie.
Fletcher, you gonna fish this weekend?
I'm gonna fish that bait.
Man,
Yeah,
what?
that's what I said. I'm glad they called us off. They said, nah, we ain't running no trucks this Saturday. I said, all right.
I'm gonna fish that remote.
Yeah. Stop by the store and give me a can of biscuits. I'm gonna have them for Saturday morning. That's all I'm gonna be doing.
The bad weather coming through.
Can of biscuits.
Tito, that's
I already
my
got my
can
sausage
of biscuits,
at home.
y'all.
Got the eggs there. That's all I need. A can of biscuits.
Fishing with Tito is crazy.
That sounds pretty good there. Salmon croquette.
And
Yeah.
some rice and gravy.
Yeah. Look at that turning over.
I
Big old
see.
crappie.
Yeah, that was a big old crappie there.
Dude, I might cook me some crappie for breakfast.
There you go.
And crappies and rice.
Yeah. Fish and grits.
Fish and grits.
Put a little cheese on.
Yeah. There you go.
That's some good punch to eat.
So, Leah.
But eat and sleep on it.
Yeah.
That's all you gonna
I
be able
think
to
they
do.
said
Don't let you come out.
I think they said supposed to last all the way up until what, Sunday?
Sunday night.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do Friday night after 9 o'clock.
Might be out of power.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I might go buy me one of them little buddy heaters. We got a gas stove. I might buy me a buddy heater.
Okay, casting back out, you guys.
So the way they were saying, it's
The
supposed to be
rain
the
don't went
biggest
on
one
notice,
yet
so
in history.
I
or
thought
something.
these crappie should turn back up since the rain done
It's
stopped.
supposed to be bigger than 94, what it was, 93, 94.
We
Yeah,
didn't bring any
94.
minnows today. We just jigging.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I
We
was
put a little
what,
crappie nibbles on the end.
15, 16. We had to walk to the store.
Fishing with Tito and Mr.
Go
Fletch
get-
over there
go
talking
get
about the
some cold
weather
cut.
that's supposed to
Yeah.
be coming through this
Power was out
weekend.
everywhere.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Fishing with Kedra. Today we got up by 4:30 this morning and then we're headed to the lake. Today Tito and I have a fishing challenge. So we're gonna see who's gonna catch the most crappies. You know I love to be in competition with Tito. So y'all, stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm back. We done made it to spot number 2, you guys. The wind has picked up a little bit. You can tell the temperature is decreasing. But we just made it spot number 2, y'all. Go over here and see what I can bob on. A lot of the wind blowing from the northeast. That's what it look like, but you can tell it haven't too long stop raining over here. The pavement is wet. Fishing with my B&M ultralight rod, 10-incher. Pink jig head with the chartreuse Moglo by Bottle Garden. Go down here and see what I can get on. Try down here, y'all. I hope a lot of y'all is prepared for this weekend because it's supposed to get very, very cold. Then they say here in Mississippi, I think we're supposed to get like 6 to 8 inches of snow. No, everybody gonna play hooky. They know they're gonna be glad they're gonna be off work. Everything gonna be closed. Yeah, I got my gloves out here, y'all. Make sure I didn't forget those. Well, let me try to get on some of these crappies. The wind is picking up out here, you guys. The wind is picking up. Fish with Tito, yeah. Well, them crappies, they might be high. The crappies must don't went in, y'all. What y'all think? Them crappies don't went in. You bro.
Yeah, my little red brake tire, my little blocky.
Yeah, I fish with Tito over here, creeping in my bag over here.
You said what?
I'm sorry, I told them you over here creeping in my bag.
Creeping.
What you looking for?
Got me a hook.
Ooh, try to get my hooks, y'all.
Hook.
Yeah, hooky. The wind might be too high for these crappies over here at this second location, y'all. Might be too high. There's some big old bass and crappie up in here. might be a little deeper. Might end up taking my barber off. Fish mosquito crest. Walk on down, yeah. There's a lot of structure in the water, like old Christmas trees and stuff, y'all. Old Christmas trees. Old Christmas trees. Hope I don't get myself tangled up. I think just the wind. The wind might be too high for this spot. So many debris. There's so much stuff in this water. Might take my barber off. That's what I might do. Take my barber off. I don't know. Let's walk around here on this end, y'all, and see, can we throw back that way? Let's see. This might be a good spot right here, y'all. I ain't saying it's promising, but it might be a good spot right here. See right here. That wind ain't no joke. Fish Matito was stopped at the store, y'all, bought him some coffee. He was like, "You want some coffee?" I'm like, "No, I'm not cold. I have my layers on, but I'm not cold though." You all start preparing for the winter weather? I hope y'all have, because they saying we might have power outages and everything. Then we're supposed to get ice and snow, you guys. So I hope everyone is prepared. I remember when we had the ice storm back in '94. It was so bad. It was very bad. We had tree lines down and everything. Raised my barber up. I'm like, this time they talking about it on every news channel. They talking about this bad weather that we supposed to be getting, so we know we gonna get it, y'all. If all the news ain't talking about this bad weather, we gonna get it. I just hope everyone is prepared. Make sure y'all have plenty of bottled waters. Because I know Saturday they said the high supposed to be 19 and the low supposed to be 12 degrees. That is cold. I told Tito I'm going to have that heat blasting. He told me, "No, you ain't." Yes, I am. That heat going to be blasting. I feel like I feel some raindrops, y'all, like it's starting to rain. Those are raindrops. Yeah, look like my court hair went down. I can't really tell. It did. It looked like my court hair went down. But yeah, but I hope everyone is prepared for this winter weather. Make sure those kiddos got plenty of snacks and y'all got plenty of food. Because if it gets this bad out here, then I don't know. Guess some people gonna ride the 4-wheelers, and I don't know how you gonna slide to the store on a bike. I know my uncles, my folks, they stay in the country, baby. They got there on some of those horses riding to the store, yeah. But yep. I remember when back in the day we had an ice storm and stuff. We used to walk to the store, bundle up and walk to the store. Yeah, I'm finna take my barber off right quick. See, can I get anything with my barber off and jig? Let's see. Ah, come on now. There we go. There you go. Try it like that. Probably gonna jig up on some leaves or some debris in this water. But yep. This weather is crazy, y'all. And it says it's coming through Friday night at after 9 o'clock. It says all the way up to Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, it's like a lot of debris in the water right here, y'all. So, yep. All this old grass. Well, you guys, I think I'm gonna end this right here. It has started back raining again, and you can tell the temperature is continuing to drop. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you like and share my videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next one. Everyone be safe out there. And thank you for watching. Fishing with Kedra. God bless.